I never got it, why'd you have to go? I guess this world's too slow for you.
A lot of the hotels in Vegas have closed down the buffets and replaced them with food halls. Like Aria, the Proper Eats food hall just opened up here where the buffet used to be. I recently paid a visit, tried quite a few dishes there, and discovered a secret hiding in plain sight.
I just wasn't enough for you. I wish you could be happy, happy.
First impression of the food hall. It's a beautiful space. The decor is high-end and modern with lots of comfortable seatings. There are a total of 9 restaurants. You can order from your phone via a QR code or you can use one of the kiosks. The kiosks work pretty well. It's completely cashless. You can pay by credit or debit card as well as charge it to your MGM hotel room.
People you meet, think you belong with everybody else, but you belong with me. And it's nothing.
Here's the first tip for you. If you just want some water, you can get it from the self-serve machine here. However, you will need to get a cup somewhere first. So here's what you do. You order your food, then when you go pick up, ask them for a cup. That's what I did, and the water is free.
I wish you could be happy, happy, yeah, yeah. But I can't lie. LA made you crazy, crazy, yeah, yeah.
Second tip, you can order everything from the kiosks except Egghead. I find it kind of weird, but in a way, I like that you can talk to someone and ask questions or customize the order. By the way, if you find this video enjoyable or helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to our channel for more Vegas content. Another thing to note, not all restaurants are open all day. Egghead only opens till 2 p.m. and Wexler Deli till 3 p.m. The rest of them close at 10 p.m. There's also a bar here at the food hall. You can grab your order, go over there, watch a game. It's a good place to hang out.
You don't care what's real.
So how's the food here? Is it worth the trip to Aria? Let's find out. First, let's talk about Egghead. If the name sounds familiar, it's because there's an egg slut at the Cosmopolitan that is super popular. I got a recommendation from the staff here at Proper Eats. She recommended cheese hash brown and the Midtown sandwich. They were both great. The bread is toasted with great crunch and the inside is moist and flavorful. The cheese hash brown is tasty without being overly cheesy or bland. It's a good balance. Since the food was so good, I decided to try the other sandwich and hash brown on the menu. Well, turned out I already had the best the first round. The Chelsea sandwich and the regular hash brown were not as flavorful. I would not order them again. If Egg Slut at Cosmo has a long line, walk over to Aria via Crystal Shopping Mall and try the Midtown and cheesy hash brown here instead. I think they are just as good as Egg Slut.
Think you belong with everybody else, but you belong with me. And there's nothing I can do.
Next, let's try Lolas burgers. We ordered the Backyard Classic burger, and it really does have the backyard home cooking taste to it. The onion rings were cooked perfectly. If you're in the mood for a great burger and some onion rings, definitely give them a try.
Wish you could be happy, happy, yeah, yeah. But I can't lie.
Honestly, I didn't expect much from a food court style ramen place. But this Laughing Buddha ramen is actually quite good. If you do feel like a bowl of soul-soothing ramen, this tonkotsu ramen is up to par. The broth is pretty creamy. The noodle and pork are both good.
You don't care what's real no more. No, you don't want me anymore. You only want.
And of course, I need to try the pizza place created by famous DJ Steve Aoki here. I tried the pepperoni pizza called Mic Drop, and it was pretty good. The crust has some crunchiness, and the flavor is great. However, Moneyline Pizza downstairs by the casino at Aria is better, both the crust and the toppings. So I'd say if you crave pizza and you want to eat at this food hall, you should give this a try. Plus the price is set at $7 a piece, which is not bad. But this just wouldn't be my first choice. Now let me show you the rest of the restaurants at this food hall.
I guess this world's too slow for you. I think there's beauty in the gray, the cold, but you just want the gold. And there's no way I can beat it, cause I got no chance when it comes to her. She got the glitter and the fame, and I just wasn't enough for you.
So what's the secret of this food hall? They have a speakeasy hiding in plain sight. It's right by this donut place behind the ropes. I didn't get to try it last time, but I know they have some novelty cocktails with dramatic presentations and have a band playing at certain times. I plan to go check it out next time. So what do you think of the Proper Eats food hall? I think it's a nice place for some quick bites, but I'm not sure it has anything that stands out enough to draw people in. I hope they do well, but a part of me wished they would not, and eventually bring back the Aria buffet. Do you share the same hope? I am so thankful that at least there's still one awesome buffet in Vegas that I'm excited to visit every time. Check it out here.